Alright, this is the Yardman Dumpling and Saltfish special. Take me about 20 minutes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So I get like a flour and dash it in a one bowl. And then I add like a baking powder and a little salt. And I mix that up. Mix up everything, salt, flour, baking powder, and make a well in the middle. We're gonna put the water. So make sure say the water warm, cause you don't want a tough dumpling to break out your teeth. And then when I do it, I mix it up so it wet, and then I add like a flour as I go. I just knead it in and make it real smooth. You put the recipe in the description in English, of course, for all who can understand patois. And you just want to get all the flour off of the bowl and knead it in. So I add a little bit more flour because it's a little bit too wet, but you still want it little wet, because if it's too dry, then you're not gonna get the real softness to the dumpling. Although the baking powder can help that still, but it's not as soft as it should be. So you don't want to break out your teeth. So warm water and knead it gently, but knead it enough so the flour come in, everything get kneady, and waste nothing waste, nothing dash way. Money me and look at what you did. Alright, like that. And then get like a oil. Enough oil, like enough like cover half of the dumpling. So probably about ½ inch of oil. Make sure so your oil hot, like on medium high heat to start, cause you don't want the dumpling to soak up the oil. Just start form your dumpling while the oil heat up. By the time you're done form your first dumpling, your oil should be ready. You should see bubbles coming up. If no bubbles, your oil never ready, so take it out back. So form your dumpling them however you want to form them. Like I normally do it like I make regular dumpling because it puff up in a way and it just round. So if you want to form it in a log, it's up to you. If you want to write a name, your business that. So just go and form a dumpling them and put them in. By the time you're done form them supposed to be ready for flip. But I say flip them like every 2 minutes, because since you're not deep fry them, you're gonna need to make sure so them are cooked evenly on both sides. So just flip them every 2 minutes. As you see, them start get gold already. So after the first flip, just go and flip them. Watch them, flip them, give them some love. Right, so now you can turn on the fire pan medium while you flip them, because as they start get color, you don't want them to undercook on the inside and overcook on the outside. So just turn on the fire, probably pan medium, and then continue flip them. So after 4 flip, I say it done. Take them out, make them go and drain and get ready to make a saltfish. See it there. It named saltfish, so it's salt. So you're gonna need to boil it about 2 times, depending on how not salty you want it. But me do it twice, because I take out enough salt for me. I not add salt to the vegetables. So cut up your onion, whatever you want to put in your pot, or whatever you have in your fridge right now. Add pepper, whatever else. Me like everything spicy, so spice it is. Then you gotta wrap it back for the saltfish, so you boil a little earlier. Dash it in the pot with the onion and stuff. And then just go and stir it up, fry it up like you do mackerel, anything. Easy. Real easy. And then add like a black pepper and that's so you're done. Serve it with your dumpling. Cut the dumpling in half and put the saltfish in it if you want to be fancy. But I say it done. Thanks for watching.